In this video, we will discuss what comes with Defender for Containers CWP and what to consider. This is the Defender plan page in the Microsoft Defender for Cloud. I'm sure you know now how to get there. Once you are on this page, you simply toggle the switch for containers to on under Cloud Workload Protection Plan. Once you enable the plan, you get security for your containerized workload. To ensure what you get, let's click on the details for the container CWP plan. And you get a heap of protection just by enabling this plan. With Microsoft Defender for Containers, you gain protection for your Kubernetes clusters, whether they are running in Azure Kubernetes service or deployed on premises or through AS. You can identify misconfigurations in your cluster early, which will reduce the chance of exposure from weak settings. You also get vulnerability assessments for container images stored in Azure Container Registry and for those actively running in AKS. At runtime, Defender provides threat protection for both your nodes and clusters with alerts that include investigation and mitigation guidance to help you respond quickly. Security alerts are detailed and context-rich, and they can be easily integrated into any SIEM solution for streamlined incident response. Defender also helps you stay aligned with regulatory compliance standards and industry best practices. Beyond detection, you benefit from a comprehensive inventory of your container assets and advanced risk hunting capabilities. It also supports Kubernetes API access for deeper visibility and provides agentless code-to-cloud vulnerability assessments for your containers, helping you secure the entire development lifecycle. Close this window and click on Settings for Container CWP. Not all the part of the Container CWP plan will be enabled by default. Some of them you have to select as shown. On this page, you can manage the core components of Defender for Containers within Microsoft Defender for Cloud. These settings allow you to customize how your container workloads, especially those running in Kubernetes, are protected. You can start by enabling agentless scanning for machines, which lets you scan for vulnerabilities, install software and secrets without installing any agents. This is especially useful when you want visibility without impacting machine performance or managing agents at scale. The Defender sensor is a critical piece you deploy on each Kubernetes worker node. It collects security data needed for runtime threat detection, which will help you spot suspicious behavior on your containers and nodes as it happens. With security findings, you can generate artifacts that track security issues related to container images whenever new ones are pushed to your registry or updated. This helps you evaluate the risk level of images before they run in your environment. Enabling Azure policy allows you to apply Kubernetes data plane hardening directly within your cluster. This means you can enforce best practices and governance rules automatically across your deployments. To support all this functionality, you will want to enable K8's API access. It's essential for retrieving container posture information, performing vulnerability assessments, and responding to threats, all without needing agents. Lastly, registry access lets Defender assess images stored in your container registry, like ACR, completely agentlessly. This way, you can catch issues in images early before they are even deployed. By configuring these components, you are setting up a robust defense for your containerized workloads from development through runtime, all while reducing manual overhead and increasing security posture visibility. I am sure now you know what components to enable and why for protecting AKS workload.